Hi friends, today I am discussing associativity of rational numbers for class 8 first chapter. Let me add negative 5 plus 2 plus negative 3. Here you can add 2 plus negative 3 first. What will be the answer? You get negative 5 plus 2 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 1. You will get negative 6 as the answer. Now let me add it in a different way. Let me add negative 5 and 2 first, then add negative 3. What will be the answer? Negative 3 plus negative 3, that again you are getting negative 6. That means in both ways you are getting the same answer. So we can write 5 plus 2 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 5 plus 2 plus negative 3. This property is called associative property. So we can say addition is associative for integers. Now let me check it for rational numbers. I will give you a question. Here I have three rational numbers, 2 by 3, negative 1 by 4 and 5 by 6. You add it in this way. First add negative 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Then you add 2 by 3 to the sum. To add these two numbers, take the LCM of 4 and 6 and do it. Here 4 and 6 LCM 12. Now 4 into 12 3 times, so it is negative 1 into 3 plus 6 into 12 2 times, so 5 into 2. The next step is equal to 2 by 3 plus negative 3 5 into 10 by 12. This will be 2 by 3 plus negative 3 plus 10. You will get a 7 by 12. So 2 by, here 3 and 12. The LCM is 12. So 3 in 12 4 times. So it will be 2 into 4 plus 12 in 12 1 times. So 7 into 1. So you get 8 plus 7 by 12, that is 15 by 12. Hope you all got it. Let me do the same problem in a different way. Another way. Add 2 by 3 plus negative 1 by 4 first, then add 5 by 6 to the answer. What will you get? Do yourself. Here LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So 3 4 in 12 4 times. So 2 into 4 plus 4 3 times. So negative 1 into 3 by 12 plus 5 by 6. That you will get it as 2 into 4 8 plus negative 1 into 3 negative 3 by 12 plus 5 by 6. What is 8 plus negative 3? It is 5. So you will get 5 by 12 plus 5 by 6. Now again 12 and 6. What is the LCM? Yes, it is 12. So you get 12 1 times. So 5 into 1 plus 6 in 12 2 times. So 5 into 2. That is 5 plus 10 by 12. That is again you are getting 15 by 12. Here when we add 2 by 3 plus negative 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6, you are getting the answer 15 by 12. Here 2 by 3 plus 1 by negative 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. Again here also you are getting the answer 15 by 12. That means in both cases the answer is equal. So we can write 2 by 3 plus negative 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. You can write it as 2 by 3 plus negative 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. That is, this property we can call it as associative property, and we can say addition is associative for rational numbers. If A, B, C are three rational numbers, then we can say for any three rational numbers A, B and C, plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Is subtraction associative for rational numbers? Let us check it. Negative 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Do it. First, you find out 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. Here LCM is equal to 4. 2 and 4 LCM 4. Do find it out. After that, subtract this answer from negative 2 by 3. Do yourself. Negative 2 by 3 minus 2 and 4 LCM is equal to 4. So 2 for 2 times. So it is 1 into 2 minus 4 for 1 time. So 3 into 1 by 4. That you will get it as negative 2 by 3 minus 1 into 2 2 minus 3 into 1 3 by 4. That is negative 2 by 3 minus 2 minus 1 is 2 plus 2 minus 3 is 2 plus negative 3, that is negative 1 by 4. Now 3 and 4, the LCM is 12. So you can write, and negative 2 by 3 minus of negative 1 by 4 you can write as plus 1 by 4, that is plus 1 by 4. Then take LCM in another way. Without taking LCM also you can do this one. Since 3 and 4 does not have any common factor, do cross multiply. Negative 2 into 4 plus 1 into 3 by 3 into 4. This is another method to add. Here you will get it as negative 2 into 4 is negative 8 plus 1 into 3 by 12. Negative 8 plus 3 is equal to negative 5 by 12. Hope you got the answer. Now let me subtract negative 2 by 3 and 1 by 2 first. What will you get it? Do that question. Do subtract negative 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 first. Then from this difference you subtract 3 by 4. Negative 3 and 2, the LCM is 6. Here negative 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Here negative 2 into 2 is negative 4 minus 3 by 6 minus 3 by 4. That is negative 4 minus 3 means plus negative 3, that is negative 7 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Here 6 and 4 LCM is equal to 12. So it is negative 7 into 2 minus 4 12 3 times. So 3 into 3 by 12. That is negative 14 minus 9 by 12. That is negative 14 plus negative 9 by 12. You will get negative 14 plus negative 9 is equal to negative 23 by 12. Now what you got in the first case? Here negative 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, you get answer negative 5 by 12. And negative 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4, you are getting negative 23 by 12. That means these two are not equal. So we can say subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. So we can write subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. Now what about multiplication? Let us do a question. Negative 5 by 12 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 6. First do this product. Do find out the product list. Then multiply with the negative 5 by 12. Do yourself. Here negative 5 by 12 into 4 and 6 you can divide by 2. So 4 2 times and 6 2 3 times. And 5 and 5 again 1 time each divided by 5. So this you can write it as negative 5 by 12 into numerator is 2 into 1 by 1 into 3. Again that you can write it as negative 5 by 12 into 2 by 3. In this 2 and 12 are there, you can divide both by 2. So 2 into 1 time and 2 in 12 6 times. So you get negative 5 into 1 as numerator, 6 into 3 as denominator. That is negative 5 into 1 is negative 5, 6 into 3 is 80. So the answer is negative 5 by 80. Now do negative 5 by 12 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 6. What will you get it? Here negative 5 and 5 with the divide with 5 you will get negative 1 and 4 12 you can divide both by 4. So 4 1 time and 4 12 3 times into 5 by 6. Now what is the numerator? Negative 1 and 1. So next we can write it as negative 1 into 1 by 3 into 1 into 5 by 6. That is negative 1 into 1 you can write it as negative 1 by 3 into 1 is 3 into 5 by 6. There is no common factor in both numerator and denominator. So multiply the numerator, that is negative 1 into 5 by 3 into 6. That is negative 1 into 5 is negative 5 by 3 into 6, 18. So negative 5 by 18 is the answer. Now compare these two results. Here when you multiply negative 5 by 12 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 6, you are getting negative 5 by 18 as the answer. Here when you multiply negative 5 by 12 into 4 by 5 first into 5 by 6, then also you are getting negative 5 by 18 as answer. So we can write negative 5 by 12 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 6 is equal to negative 5 by 12 into 4 by 5 into 5 by 6. So we can say multiplication is associative for rational numbers. Now take three rational numbers as A, B and C. Then we can conclude for any three rational numbers A, B and C, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Now what about division? Is division associative for rational numbers? Let us do. Negative 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6 divided by negative 1 by 2. You have to divide 5 by 6 by negative 1 by 2 first. How to divide it? You just multiply its reciprocal of the second. Do it. So you can write negative 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6 divided by negative 1 by 2. You can write it as 5 by 6 into negative 2 by 1. The reciprocal of negative 1 by 2 is negative 2 by 1. Now 2 and 6 are there. You can divide it by 2. So 2 to 1 times. So it is negative 1 by 3. Next you can write negative 3 by 4 divided by numerator is 5 into negative 1. Denominator is 3 into 1. That is negative 3 by 4 divided by 5 into negative 1 is negative 5 by 3. Now again you take the reciprocal. So negative 3 by 4 divided by negative 5 by 3 is into negative 3 by 5. Now there is no common term in numerator and denominator. Common factor is not there. So multiply the numerator negative 3 into negative 3 and the denominator is 4 into 5. That is negative 9 by 20. Now divide negative 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 first. Then divide it by negative 1 by 2. What will you get? This negative 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6, you can write it as negative 3 by 4 into 6 by 5. A reciprocal divided by negative 1 by 2. Here 4 and 6 have common factor. So 4 and 6 we can divide by 2. So 2 times in 4, 3 times in 6. So here in the bracket you will get negative 3 into 3 by 2 into 5 divided by negative 1 by 2. Negative 3 into 3 you can write it as negative 9 by 10 and divided by negative 1 by 2 you can write it as negative 2 by 1 into negative 2 by 1. Now 2 and 10 you can divide it by 2 each. So negative 2 in 1, so it is negative 1 by 10, 5 times 2, so 5. So the numerator is negative 1 into negative 9 into negative 1 by 5 into 1. Negative 9 in negative 1, it is, you will get it as positive 9 by 5. So the answer is 9 by 5. Now compare these two answers. Here 3 by 4, negative 3 by 4 divided by negative 5 by 6 divided by negative 1 by 2, you are getting negative 9 by 20 as answer. Here you divide negative 3 by 4 by 5 by 5 by 6 first, then by negative 1 by 2. You are getting negative 9 by 5 as answer. That means these two are not equal. So we can say division is not associative for rational numbers. So far we discussed closure property, commutative property, now associative property. Do study well. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.